Across Tamil Nadu, classrooms in underserved schools are moving beyond textbooks to embrace a new way of learning that is active, engaging, and rooted in real understanding. At STEM Learning, we are redefining how students experience science and math in over 230 schools across 20 districts. Through our mini science centers, with over 80 hands-on models, we simplify complex topics. Students are learning by observing, experimenting, and discovering how theories apply to the world around them. We train teachers to integrate these models into daily lessons, turning traditional classrooms into lively student-led spaces filled with curiosity and collaboration. Regular monitoring and evaluation help track student progress, ensuring that every child benefits and grows with measurable results. This approach not only builds conceptual clarity, but also nurtures essential life skills like problem solving, communication, and confidence, preparing students to face the future with creativity and self-belief. All of this is made possible with the support of over 40 CSR partners who share our vision of bringing quality STEM education to every child. Together, we are creating a generation of learners who think, explore, and innovate beyond limits.